This is a Torque fifth wheel toy hauler. Large pass-through compartment. Fiberglass front cap. Owning generator in the front compartment. Water hookups and water heater here. Dump station on the bottom. Aluminum wheels. Fueling station on the back. 50 amp service. This has the rear patio. Can also let down to be used as a ramp to load up any toys. Two entry doors, front and back. Aluminum steps at both doors. Move inside. Comes into the kitchen with an island. Got your Dometic fridge, residential microwave, gas stove, entertainment center there. Comfortable couch with cup holders and USBs in the cup holders. And go into the hallway to the master bedroom and bathroom area. First door is your bathroom. And you can move into the master bedroom. LED accent lighting, queen size bed, and its own air conditioner. Back through the kitchen and living area. You can go through the sliding glass door into the toy hauler section and the rear patio. Has a shelf in the back and also the bunks. Comes with a set of MORryde steps for your rear patio. And it's hard to see, but there is a drop down screen to keep any bugs out while you're inside.